Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've made my last makeup video, probably back last January. I don't remember, it's been a long time, and I thought I would come back with a new video and make it something really cool, and I'm really excited because I've been putting this out for a while. So I don't want to make this intro too long because you probably just want to get right to the makeup. So don't forget to subscribe because I got new ideas coming up. Like this video if you did, and comment what you want me to do next. So let's get right into it. Alright, first off, I just took a shower last night, so I look really weird right now, and my hair's a mess. So you're gonna take glue because we're working with liquid latex. My lashes almost just fell off my vanity. So just take the glue stick and just get it right in your eyebrows. Because if those things come off, we're not going to be happy. Now the trick to doing this is to like kind of do it like that. So you really get it in those hairs. And don't worry, a glue stick's not going to do anything to your eyebrows. It's just going to make sure that they don't get ripped off. Because I've made that mistake multiple times. Well, maybe not multiple, but I got something in my eyeball. So yeah, now we're gonna need quite a few layers of glue, so let that dry completely, put another layer on, and yeah. Now if you happen to have any little unibrow hairs going on, then we don't have to worry about covering those up in glue, because we don't want those, right? So just let the latex do its job there. But for our actual eyebrows, we want to keep them, so I think I made my point pretty clear by now. While we're waiting for that first layer to dry, you can take some like Vaseline or something like that and put it along your hairline, because I'm using this prosthetic. I did not make this. And it's gonna end up touching my hairline a little bit, so we're gonna wanna use some petroleum jelly to make sure our hairs don't get ripped out. That's kind of gross. Alright, so I only did about 2 layers of glue on my eyebrows. Also, if you do not have your hair clipped back for this already, you should probably do that. So I'm not applying my prosthetics just yet, but I am going to put them on my face and see where we need to cut around, because this part's going to end up going on my eyelid if I don't cut it. I said that weird. So just kind of, yeah, see, so I'm gonna need to cut this off. So I'm just putting it down and cutting it, but I'm not like using latex to glue it down to my face just yet. Alright, so now for actually gluing down the prosthetics, I have a nose piece that I made. I did not make a video on it, however, but I did make this about 2 days ago, and I'm going to use some latex to apply this now. I'm going to apply this first, and then this over it, because this is going to end up going over the nose piece a little bit. Also, I am applying all the prosthetics and then the face paint, just so you know. Now for this, I'm just using a makeup sponge to put the liquid latex in the prosthetic. Alright, so I have some liquid latex in my nose prosthetic. I'm also applying some to my nose. Especially around the perimeter. Oh, I think it's got it in my nose by accident. Just like that. Now, hang on. Apply. I think the latex is a little too dry, so I'm gonna add more. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna be looking a little weird for a while, but that's fine. Now just use some more liquid latex to smoothen down the edges. I want that seamless look. kind of squishing my nose together a little bit, so it feels really strange. So we have this. Now I'm going to apply my brow piece. And in a minute, I'm going to, well, either after I apply this or after the video, I'm going to tell you where I got this from. How's it going? I have some pieces of it glued down and some of it not glued down. I'm just applying the latex directly to my face now. So then we have this. Now just use some more liquid latex to really get the seams down. Now be careful when you're getting this close to your eye. I don't think I'm actually going to fully put it on my eyelid just because it, for me, kind of irritates my skin, or it doesn't irritate it, but it hurts more taking it off, so I'm just gonna not put it around my eyelid. Alright, now that you've got your prosthetics on, the liquid latex is still gonna be wet around the edges, so let that dry completely before you put on the paint, because if not, then the latex is gonna get on your brushes and it's gonna ruin your brushes. So just wait until the latex is completely dry, then apply the paint. Alright, so now that the latex is dry, I'm gonna take some green paint right here. Spray it actually. Clean off your brush first. Alright, now spray your green paint. Get your brush all in it. And just go to town. Alright guys, ready for this? The handle came off, so. Oh, this is gonna be cool when it's done. I'm excited. Alright, so now that you have your face painted, don't forget to cover your ears and your neck. Alright, so now that you have this done, she may be an ugly witch, but she wants to look good still, so we're gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow on her. So I'm taking this brush. Also, if you hear someone talking, that's my grandma, so just ignore her. So we're gonna take some Zero Gravity and just put that right over the lid. Alright, so now I'm going in with the color UFO right here. And I'm just gonna pop some of that right here. It's a shimmery color, so let's just maybe use that for a bit of a highlight right in there. And right in the inner corner. Right in there. Maybe pop some on the bottom lid as well. Just like that. Now I'm taking Devotion from the Better Together palette, the Kat Von D side. And I'm just going to put that right in the crease, or whatever crease is left that I have. Now for the eyeliner, I'm just taking an angled brush and spraying some black face paint and doing some eyeliner. Give it a small wing right there. Just like that. Now for the waterline, I have Jeffree Star's Venus Flytrap. I'm going to use my angled brush to put a little bit of that in my waterline, and maybe for my bottom lashes as well. Alright, so now that we have this, we're going to apply some black mascara on the top lashes. Now for the lips, I think I'm gonna do a black lip with maybe some shimmery green eyeshadow over it. we'll see. Now also, for this lipstick, I am using a clear lip liner. Actually, I decided to put some red over the black a little bit instead of green. Now for the red, I'm just using some Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood. Now for contour, I'm using black from the Interstellar eyeshadow palette that I got from Hot Topic. Now, a witch still needs to glow. So for highlighter, I'm using the Kat Von D Hollow highlighter in the green color. And I'm also going to apply false lashes. While I'm waiting for my lash glue to get tacky, also I'm using lashes that are called Little Black Dress. As you can see, I'm going to use some grays and blacks to add in these shadows in the wrinkles and everywhere that they need to be. Now for the shading, I'm using a Wet n Wild paint palette and this color, this green right here, and I just dusted that over the wrinkles and stuff, and I'm gonna go in with a light black. Alright, now that you have your lashes on, the shading done and everything, if you have the appropriate black wig to go with it, then pop it on. Alright, now that you have your black wig on and makeup done, you are now the Wicked Witch of the world.